when he says प्रधानमंत्री की 3 महबूबाएं उन्हें ले डूबेंगी, is this the language to use? आप कह रहे हैं कि language अच्छी नहीं रही इस election में, तो ये language कौन सी language है? Is this a language you would use for the top executive of this country? Number one. Number two, the Prime Minister has said that एक political भूचाल आने वाला है 4 जून के बाद, especially for the family-run parties. Is that really something that bothers parties like yours? Because they are family-run. Lalu Yadav के बाद Tejasvi Yadav. That is where the Prime Minister's attack is on Parivarvad.
नाविका जी, मुझे नहीं मालूम कि महबूबा शब्द, the word महबूबा, you know the meaning of word महबूबा. Mahbooba represents love. Mahbooba doesn't represent hate, like our Prime Minister uses the words which are full of hate. Mahbooba means love.
Mangal Sutra also represents.
Prime Minister is very.
Also represents
Prime Minister is.
love
Prime
and
Minister.
marriage
Prime
and
Minister
holy
is
union.
very much.
आपको मंगल सूत्र से फिर इतनी दिक्कत क्यों थी? नहीं फिर आपको मंगल सूत्र से इतनी दिक्कत क्यों थी?
Our Honorable Prime Minister, you people know, the country knows what is the meaning of Mangal Sutra and who is going to steal the Mangal Sutra and who is going to be given.
People also know what you are trying to say with
people have already, they have, yeah, I'm trying to say the love the Prime Minister had with the unemployment, with the price rise, with the poverty. After ruling 10 years, what he has delivered at the front of this employment, youth of this country are desperate today. Their future is dark. Even what is the percentage of unemployment today in the country? 83% youth are unemployed. What is the? And you will be shocked to know. I don't think you will be shocked to know. You know it very well. That
I don't know. You have to fact check your numbers. Anand Ranganathan is already having a seizure with these numbers that you are quoting. ये कहाँ से numbers आप quote कर रहे हैं मुझे नहीं पता.
38% of IIT pass out are unemployed.
अरे नाविका,
they are not placed. This is the fact. This is the state of affairs today. And that's why poverty. You take example of poverty. 80 crore people are forced to live on 5 kg muft anaj, muft ration. Is it not poverty?
Okay.
Are they accepting it with the willingness? Are the willingness to accept
Anwar Pasha ji, Anwar Pasha, आप तो लड़ चुके हैं इस पर चुनाव. You have already fought elections on this ground. Now is the time only to ask you why are you so scared of Prime Minister Modi? Because you have raised all these issues in the campaign. When the campaign is over, why are you so worried?
Navika ji, we are not worried. You have asked question, so I am answering it. As far as this question of family rule is concerned, Parivarvad is concerned, I think this is not matter of Parivarvad or a person. I think a person who holds a party. Today, see what is happening. It is important. What is important is ideology. If a person doesn't believe in ideology of democracy, if a person doesn't believe in ideology of unity in diversity, if a person doesn't believe in having respect for other faith of the of the people of the country, if it is important, it is good, or a person or a family, who symbolizes the ideology of democracy, ideology of love, ideology
Dr. Anand Ranganathan coming to you, Suhail said, but Dr. Anand Ranganathan, you've been raising your hand violently. Please respond to Professor Anwar Pasha.
If a family represents the ideology of social justice, democracy, I will prefer
Professor Pasha, I did not interrupt you.
Let him speak.
Dictator has always just one viewpoint. Family has many viewpoints. Family respects all the ideas, the idea of India. A person doesn't. If our Prime Minister, I'm sorry.
All right, Professor Anwar Pasha. Dr. Anand Ranganathan is responding to you.
He doesn't believe in unity.
Yes.
He doesn't believe in social justice. So I will.
Navika, there's a reason why Bernard Shaw said those who can do, those who can't speak.
Navika, can I please have my say?
Yes,
Because
please.
as it is,
Yes,
time
please,
is
Dr.
limited.
Anand Ranganathan.
Thank you. No, a very, very good evening to you and to my fellow panelists, especially to Professor Pasha, jin pe main aane wala hu abhi. No, but
He's
the
still
thrust
speaking.
of the discussion, I have to say this starting that who wouldn't be envious of Narendra Modi? He has gone to Kanyakumari. Right now, Kanyakumari temperature is 26 degrees. Delhi is 52. So it's half that. And there is another city where the temperature is 26, that's Bangkok. So maybe the opponents of Narendra Modi might be thinking of going there. No, but the fact of the matter is, and look at the smiling, effervescent Suhail Seth. He's got this Rembrandt-like halo around him. I think this is what I called a yacht tan. So God knows where he is. No, Navika, look, I want to concentrate not on the meditation because that's a personal matter. No matter how much the opposition might cry and say, look, he's meditating. Oh, we are not. Look, we are doing this, that. I want to talk about these so-called three dastardly phrases being used of three Mehboobas. I mean, and I will come to Professor Pasha in the midst of all that. The three Mehboobas uttered by the opposition are number one, unemployment, number two, poverty, and number three, inflation. Let me burst their Mehbooba love bubble right now. Number one, as far as inflation is concerned, in 2011 to 2013, inflation was upwards of 11%. Right now, it is 4.85%. It has decreased from 5%. It is the lowest in months. Number two, let me come to unemployment. Last year, the unemployment was 3.1%. In the last, from 2014 to 2022, 85 million jobs were created. This is the total employed workers in India, 2014, 497 million. Right now, or 2022, 582 million. This is from NSS, PLFS, Labor Bureau data. You want to believe data or you don't want to believe data? Lastly, on poverty. 250 million Indians have been pulled out of multi-dimensional poverty. That includes rehen-sehen, that includes nutrition, that includes khana. And lastly, as far as my good friend Professor Pasha is concerned, अरे पता नहीं कौन सा wire scroll वगैरह पढ़ के fake news फैला रहे हैं. 85% of youth are not unemployed. Those who are unemployed, amongst them 85% are youth, and that too is a survey. थोड़ा comprehension skill तेज करिए Professor Pasha. गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, आप professor हैं.
Suhail Seth, my question to you is very simple. The Prime Minister says there's going to be a political earthquake after 4th of June.